We believe that everyone deserves police service, especially in this time. And our guys are professional. They do everything they do in a professional manner with integrity.
All these rookies seen me before. They know me. They know how to behave.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
All right, no worries. You just stick around until they get that stuff out. And then you gave these officers some information already?
No one asked.
Yeah, we didn't get that yet.
I'm on a public sidewalk. Shut the fuck up. I'm on a public sidewalk. Shut up.
I don't give you permission to videotape me, so hop on my property.
I don't need your permission. You on public. These fine gentlemen will tell you. Tell her about the First Amendment. Rookies.
Is he disturbing you, ma'am?
Yes, he's disturbing.
Yeah, on the public
Johnson,
sidewalk.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
That's not a disturbance.
Arrest for disturbing. Arrest for disturbing the peace. Please do not resist.
Disturbing the peace.
You just came outside and engaged me.
Y'all fucking up. You better call Captain Larry fast. You better call Larry fast. You better call him fast. Y'all better call him.
We believe that everyone deserves
Police service, especially in this time. And our guys are
professional to do everything they do in a professional manner with integrity.
Fine, still, so keep pulling me like that. Keep pulling me.
All right, I see. I'm gonna be going to jail.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have your job. Good luck. Yeah, tell me good luck. Tell me good luck. You're gonna hear from my lawyer. Fast.
Have a seat for us. Have a seat.
Yep, we'll do. We'll do.
Hold on, let me get in the. Let me get.
These fucking cuffs are hurting my wrist. Wow. Y'all fucking up.
Turn for me. Let me check your cuffs.
Yeah, you hurt my fucking wrist.
Do you want me to check them, adjust them?
Are you fucking insane?
Do you want me to adjust them for you? They're bugging you.
Yeah, they hurting my wrist.
All right, turn for me. You gotta bring your
God
arms down.
damn it. I'm fucking 220 pounds, and you just threw me in the back of this little ass seat.
Can you scoot a little bit? Bring your hands back. There you go.
All right. And you went in the house and coerced that shit too. You're a fucking idiot. I'm gonna have your job.
All right, they're on there properly.
Only if you do.
I ain't got a
The
finger in
public
there.
sidewalk is not private property. Pay attention. Pay attention. You don't know what public property is. And you didn't even fucking loosen them.
They're on there properly.
You didn't loosen them. All right. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Yeah, keep popping them eyebrows. Keep popping them.
respect the First Amendment.
Big prepaid too.
Yes, indeed. You couldn't even buckle me up. Couldn't even buckle me up. Way to go. Yeah.
What's your phone number?
I don't want to say anything to you. You trash. You figure it out. But you're gonna know a whole lot here in a second. You're gonna know who you fucking with. That's what you're gonna know. Good luck, buddy. You act too fast. You gotta use better judgment and better decision making before you do stupid shit like that.
Right.
You're all in your emotions. You're emotional. You're emotional. It'd help if I was buckled up. You don't want to pull over and buckle me up, please? What did you even arrest me for? Huh? You're not going to tell me why I was placed under arrest? I can't hear you. For what? What? I can't hear you. I got my ear to the glass. What you say? Huh? Alright. Yep. You're gonna need some legal representation very soon, buddy.
How do you want to talk to us?
Yeah. Alright. So you wanna destroy the whole First Amendment, huh? Alright. I'll talk to you in court. Now I'm coming for your bond this time. I'm coming for the job. Thought y'all would have learned outside the city hall. Just don't learn. Just don't learn. trying to buckle myself up for you not. Fuck you. Fucking domestic terrorist. Stop fooling around. I said please pull over and buckle me up. How hard is that to ask of a public servant? You know how you concerned. Fucking coward. You scared behind fucking glass and everything? You still scared? And what you arrest me for? Who did I hurt? You gonna go in the house and tell her to come out and bother me just so you can try to build an arrest, try to find some probable cause. You're an idiot. Clearly got the thinking capacity of a 4-year-old. That's all I need to do. I'm so tired of y'all, man. All y'all gotta do is the right thing. That's all you gotta do. You swore an oath to the United States Constitution to protect and serve. That's all you got to do. But I'm gonna hold you accountable. And it will be transparent. I'll give you everything you're not giving to people. And I want to talk to Captain Larry. Expedition. Y'all probably getting call flooded right now. You got people all over the world watching. You should be on your best behavior.